Hi, and welcome to Tudors, Kings and Queens. So let's have a look at this comprehension task all together. So Henry VII was crowned in 1485. Now, Henry Tudor was the first Tudor monarch. He was a strong king who restored peace after the Wars of the Roses, a terrible civil war. Civil war means when people in the country are fighting each other. He reduced the power of the barons meaning the rich people and the lords, and helped merchants, businessmen to trade peacefully. He became very wealthy by collecting taxes. So that's Henry VII. He became king in 1485. Then, straight after Henry VII, we have Henry VIII. So Henry VIII, after the death of Henry VII, was crowned in 1509. Henry VIII was the second Tudor monarch. He was clever, rich, and liked to have his own way in all things. He built a navy and made England more important in Europe. He quarreled with the Pope and closed the monasteries, making himself head of the church. English churches now had to follow Protestant styles of worship. So that's where the Protestant Christianity, Protestantism started with Henry VIII. And moving on, in 1547, straight after Henry VIII, we have Edward. Edward was a delicate boy of 9 when he became king. He died when he was only 16 years old. A regency council helped him rule the country as he was so young. Church services were now held in English instead of Latin. And then we're moving to Mary, straight after Edward. Mary was crowned in 1553. Mary did everything in her power to make England a Roman Catholic country again. So remember that Henry VIII here changed the church from Roman Catholic to Protestant, and Mary did everything in her power to make England a Roman Catholic country again. She married Philip, King of Spain, a Catholic. She did terrible things to the Protestants. She died after being queen for only 5 years. Elizabeth I was crowned in 1558. Elizabeth was a clever woman who encouraged the Protestants. She ruled her people well and encouraged voyages of discovery and trade. She avoided war with Spain when Francis Drake defeated the Spanish Armada. But she died in 1603, so she had a very long reign as the Queen of England. So have a look at this again and read through it one more time. You can see the pictures that go with the text. And good luck with answering the questions, and we'll follow these up in our next lesson. Good luck.